Here's a 2018 Nissan Rogue. Long, tall, or wide, there's plenty of cargo and passenger space inside this sharp-looking crossover. And with features like these, every drive's a pleasure. Inline 4-cylinder engine, dual-zone climate control, streaming audio, front heated bucket seats, remote engine start, external memory control, aluminum wheels, wireless phone connectivity, and continuously variable automatic transmission. Innovation, excitement, Nissan. They say a journey of 1,000 miles begins with one step. Well, in this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.